Welcome back to my channel. Susan here again. Um, Amazon delivered this morning. I ordered 2 spare batteries and charger, dual charger for each of the Sony Handycam camcorders we just got, so that we have plenty of batteries on hand, fully charged, to just swap and go and keep recording. Looking at batteries online is insane. Okay, the replacement Sony branded battery that fits in this camera, best price we could get was $70 a piece. Not happening. Okay, so we go off brand, and I found these on Amazon.ca. I'm in Canada, so let's keep it in Canada. Let's not pay customs if we can help it, right? So anyway, I ordered 2 sets of 2 batteries and a dual charger. You'll see. Anyway, they arrived this morning, which was exceptionally fast. They were not supposed to be here until this coming Tuesday. It's Thursday morning. It's the 8th of November as I'm shooting this, and these weren't supposed to get here till the 13th. So I ordered them Monday, the 5th. Okay, so 3 days, and I got them in my hands. So that's awesome shipping. I'm going to leave great feedback for the seller on Amazon, provided everything's right in the box. So huge box for very little, but they put in some air cushion so that they don't rattle iron too bad. Now there's 2 of these smaller boxes, and they've got 2 batteries and a charger and a cable in each one. So these are going to be interesting. Okay, let's go. Here. These are Enegon replacement for the HDR CX405, which is what this camera is. So, let's see. Here we go. Oh, I see what they did. They just nested it all together. Okay, here is the dual charger, which is great. Cell 1 and cell 2. And it just sits on the desk, and there is a USB to micro USB cable that you attach, and I suppose you could charge it off your computer via USB, but it will also, if you have a brick that plugs into main hydro, that would probably be better, provide more power. So there is a connector here on the side that the one end flips into, and then inside each of these little boxes is one of the batteries. Now, what I also found and discovered when looking at batteries online is these are just slightly more powerful than the ones that come with the camera, Sony. Just slightly. Like, I'll insert the picture of the Sony one here. Okay. The replacement that I got, and they the same form factor, same everything. It fits exactly the way the standard one does. For NP BX1, which is what the Sony one is labeled as, so it's identical. The Sony one, I believe, is 3.6 volt. This is 3.7. The Sony one is I think 1240. Yeah, 1240 milliamp, and this is 1300 milliamp. So they're just slightly, it's not enough to really even mention, but stronger is better, right? 4.8 watt hours lithium ion. Okay, now these are they're good for, I think, 80 minutes of recording time, or so many photos, like 300 photos or something. Considering the quality of these cameras and the high def, they can actually shoot up to like 4K kind of thing. Not that I need that ever, but they have the capacity. And so far the tests we're doing with them are turning out great. We took these to the church to do test shots for the kids play video, the kids play Christmas thing we're doing at the church, and the test results were pretty good, really good actually. We extended the boom mic levels and it works great, picked up clear, crisp, and zoom feature works great. Everything's going really well with these cameras so far for testing. So the only other thing we had to do was get more battery power, because you can't, that we found out so far anyway, you can't plug these in and record while you're charging. So that is why batteries, having extra batteries is essential, so you can just pop the tired one out, put a new one in, resume shooting. Like it just makes sense. So we now both have 3 batteries, the original Sony and 2 Enegon batteries, to extend our shooting time totally. So 18-month limited warranty on these, lifetime technical support. It's awesome. Okay. Instructions. When charger is powered on, LED light is green without batteries in it. LED lights turn to red when charging and green when complete. So it's simple, really. Let me just get a power brick and we'll try this. I'm back. I have a power brick here, actually from the camera. It's just a USB to power. There's green lights. I don't know if you can see that. They're lit up green because obviously there's nothing in there. And now you, let's see, which way do these go in? Positive and negative. So positive and negative, they go in upside down and they go red. Yeah, positives to the right, negative to the left, and there we go. Okay, so they lit up red, and when they're green, it's charged. So we'll do a little bit of a test and see how long that takes to charge them up. But so far, I am really happy. They're well fitted. They don't rattle or shake or anything. They're sitting where they belong, and they're doing exactly as the card said. It's green. You plug them in, they go red, and when they're charged, they go green again. So anyway, so far so good. Just wanted to update you on our newest little acquisition for our cameras. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.